Let's make a broccoli cheese casserole with a creamy sauce, a mix of cheddar and smoked Gouda cheese, along with a buttery cracker topping. First, you'll want to cook your broccoli in a large pot of boiling water. Drain and rinse with cold water to cool. Next, you'll cook some onions in a large skillet with a tablespoon of butter. Then we'll make our sauce with mushroom soup, Worcestershire sauce, mustard, and sour cream. Then we'll mix in our 2 types of cheese along with salt and pepper for taste. Now, as the cheese is melting, you're going to want to add in your broccoli and stir to combine. Butter a shallow baking dish, then add your mixture and topped with crushed crackers and a couple of tablespoons of melted butter. Now it's time to bake at 400 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes until it's hot and bubbly. Y'all, this is so good and super easy. It's perfect for a dinner side dish or any holiday season. I'm Amy with LivingLoCurdo.com. Subscribe for more easy recipes.